Tesla just dropped the 2026 Model 3, and honestly, this might be their most refined electric sedan yet. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Let's dive into what makes this year's Model 3 worth your attention. Design. The exterior gets a sleeker, more aerodynamic profile with smoother lines and a redesigned front fascia that improves efficiency. The minimalist approach continues, but its evolved, sharper LED lighting, new wheel options, and a wider stance give it a more planted, premium appearance. Inside, Tesla's refined the cabin with improved materials, better sound insulation, and a more refined dashboard layout. The seats are more supportive, and ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication without compromising that signature minimalist aesthetic. Performance. Performance-wise, the 2026 Model 3 delivers. The base model offers impressive acceleration with 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, while the performance variant pushes that to around 3 seconds. Range has been improved across the board. Expect up to 350 miles on a single charge depending on configuration. The handling feels tighter, more responsive, thanks to suspension refinements and better weight distribution. Features and technology. Technology remains a Tesla strong suit. The central touchscreen is faster and more intuitive, with improved voice commands and over-the-air updates that keep getting better. Enhanced Autopilot comes standard, with full self-driving capability available as an upgrade. The sound system has been upgraded, charging speeds are faster, and the mobile app integration makes controlling your vehicle seamless. Conclusion. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 proves that evolution beats revolution. It's refined, efficient, and packed with the technology we've come to expect from Tesla. If you're considering an electric sedan, this one deserves a serious look. What do you think about the new Model 3? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching.